This brief video will show you how to correctly put on and use the WatchPAT home sleep testing device. You should put the WatchPAT device on when you are already in your pajamas, just before getting into bed. Open the WatchPAT case. You will find a helpful illustrated guide in the side pocket. Be sure that the nail on your test finger is cut, trimmed, and without nail polish. Now, remove all jewelry, accessories, and avoid hand cream. This is the snoring and body position sensor. Thread the cable through your pajama sleeve up to the neck opening. Trim or shave chest hair if needed. Peel the backing from the small round sticker of the sensor. Attach the sensor to the sternum, a bit lower, just below the sternum notch. If medical tape is provided, please use it to secure the sensor in place. You'll be putting the WatchPAT on your non-dominant hand. Here you see how a right-handed person puts the device on his left hand. Place the WatchPAT on a flat surface. Insert your hand and close the wrist strap, making sure it's snug, but not too tight. Place the probe on the finger that you have been told to use, preferably the index or ring finger. It is normal to feel a little bit of pressure. Insert your finger all the way into the probe. The tab labeled top should be situated on the top side of your finger. While pushing your finger against a surface like a table or your leg, gently and firmly remove the tab. Be careful not to twist the probe. You are now ready to turn the WatchPAT on. Get into bed. Press firmly on the power button until the display lights up. After a few seconds, the good night message will appear. The display will turn off after a short period. If there is a problem, you will see a test aborted message. In that case, note the error code and call the help desk. WatchPAT is now working properly, and it's time to go to sleep. Good night. And good morning. Remove the probe from your finger. Remove the snoring and body position sensor and remove the device from your wrist. Please note, WatchPAT cannot be turned off. Now, return the device along with the probe, snoring and body positioning sensor to the case. And finally, return the illustrated guide to the case. And that is all there is to it. If you carefully follow the steps presented here, you should have a successful WatchPAT home sleep test. Thanks for watching.